Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Oak Hills is a quiet residential neighborhood in the west side area of Kamloops, British Columbia, set along the wide floodplain of the North Thompson River. The surrounding landscape is typical of the interior of British Columbia, with dry grasslands, scattered trees, and hills rising above the river valley. The area offers views of the river and nearby mountains, and its open terrain reflects the natural environment that has shaped life in the Thompson Valley for thousands of years. European activity in the region began in the early 19th century during the fur trade era. Traders arrived in the early 1800s and established trading posts along the Thompson River system. Later, the promise of gold in British Columbia brought waves of prospectors through the region. Although large gold strikes were limited here, many settlers stayed and began ranching and farming in the surrounding valleys. One of the most memorable events in the neighborhood's history occurred in June of 1972. During a period of high water on the North Thompson River, a dike protecting the Oak Hills subdivision failed. Floodwaters rushed into the neighborhood within minutes, turning streets into temporary canals. Residents were forced to move belongings and travel by boat as the area filled with water. In the years that followed, improved flood protection systems and stronger dikes were built to better protect the neighborhood from future high water. Today, Oak Hills is a peaceful residential area known for its quiet streets and access to walking paths along the river dikes. These raised embankments now serve both as flood protection and as recreational routes where people can walk, cycle, and enjoy views of the North Thompson River. The neighborhood reflects the steady growth of Kamloops while still remaining closely connected to the natural landscape that surrounds it. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.